Hello, welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be looking at, what was it? So, your script was today, we're going to be looking at, I forgot to. Today, we're going to be looking at, Among Us. No, not Among Us. Today, we're going to be looking at Build About Airlines Flight 16. Build About Airlines Flight 16, you have permission to land at runway 3. Okay.
Years later.
Build About Airlines Flight 678, you have permission to take off at runway 3. Okay.
The view is so nice. Oh, look, a boat. Oh, wow, look, it's the buildings, too.
I sure am glad I didn't go Spirit. Ribbit, ribbit. No,